Without a doubt. Do you have, so like who, in your professional opinion, who do you think's like the best sales coach or like sales training that like you've taken that you really like?
Dude, I've been really blessed to have one-on-one mentors early on,
Okay.
but I was still broke as shit. And so what I
Yeah.
always tell people is that phrase, like, you are the equal of your 5 closest friends. Like, I was taught that at a long age and realized that, with all due respect, my closest friends weren't shit. And so what I did is I found books. Like, if you saw my personal library, you'd think that I should have glasses and fucking wear a bow tie. Like, I am all about books. And so what I did is I surrounded myself with the greats like Zig Ziglar, and I saw him a couple of times in person before he passed away, rest his soul. But there's never been another author, John Maxwell maybe, but Zig Ziglar by far changed my whole paradigm on how to be in sales, do it the ethical way, even if you were with a grimy type product, like timeshare is, and it is what it is. But do it in a way, and so my mentors were books, period, end of story, because I couldn't afford a real mentor, and I didn't have anybody in my social circle that was worth studying under.